Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have another video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and unlink your email from your Twitter account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For that matter, what you're going to do is, first of all, let's go ahead open our Twitter app right there in a mobile phone. Once our particular app is open, this is basically gonna look like the homepage of our app. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna simply tap on this profile icon on our top left corner. Once we tap on it, simply go ahead, tap on the settings and support option given below the last option. Now once it expands the menu, go ahead, tap on the settings and privacy option. This will open up this whole menu list of your account. Then you tap on this your account option that will be on the first option. Go ahead, tap on it. This will open up your informations. Then you can tap on this account information option, the first one. Here you will see your username, phones, email address, which we want to unlink, right? Go ahead, tap on this email address option and now enter your password of your account. Once you're done entering your password, you're gonna get this green check mark. Now tap on this next option. Once you do it, you can see this is asked for, so there is no a clear option for you to get this unlink option. You tap on it and your email is unlinked. In order for you to unlink your email, you gotta change your email to another one. That can be any email that you use. Go ahead, enter that particular email. Once you're done entering it, tap on this next option. Just like previously, you got a code and confirmed it. You're gonna do the verification with that code and you're good to go. Your now email is replaced with another one which unlinks the previous one. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.